Hi, Clark F. Harvey, the BBQ mortgage guy, owner of First Rate Mortgage. I've been serving clients for over 22 years in 5 states, serving both commercial and residential. Today I want to talk about documenting funds, whether it be your pay stub or bank statements, cash in the bank, funds to close. In our world, everything has to be documented because on a down payment, it can't be borrowed. And if it's cash, then it's not an acceptable source. It's very, very difficult to do. And so everything has to be done through like a bank, credit union, whatever that looks like, money market fund. And it has to be seasoned for at least 60 days in your account to be able to use. And we have to source any large deposits. We can go over any details on that. But your pay stub, we need actual pay stubs that have information with your year-to-date totals on there, and your company, the company name you work for, your name, all your identifying information. Typically, it's something that we get from the employer that you get. That's what we need. And like bank statements, if you're going to document funds to close, then we're going to need to see that season in the bank 60 days. That's how that's done. We just get the bank statements that you download from your bank or your credit union or whatever that looks like, and we pass it on to the underwriter. We're going to review those as the loan originator, make sure everything looks good and looks appropriate. It'll work through underwriting, and then we can go out and say, you can go ahead and buy a house, or if you're refinancing, same situation. We're still going to have to document funds to close through a bank statement if you have to come in with funds to close. If you don't have to come in with any funds to close on a refinance, then we don't need bank statements. You're fine not supplying those, because it's only if you have to come with funds to close. Now, as far as your down payment, that can be a gift, that can be your funds, but it cannot be borrowed. They won't allow that. Haven't seen a lender allow that. So it has to be your own funds or a gift. And then we document that gift and who it came from. And depending on the loan program that you're going through, there's different requirements who can gift to you. So we won't get into the details there, but a gift is a great way to get into a home. I received a small gift from my father when I got into a home, and it was a blessing at the time. That was quite a few years ago when that happened. We won't talk about that and get into the time frame, but it helped me be able to get into that house. If you have your own down payment, the more the better. You're going to get a better deal with putting 5% down, 10%, 20%, 25%. It's all structured on your FICO as well as your down payment, the property type, on getting the best deal. So that's pretty simple. We need bank statements. Best ones are just download for the bank. Don't do a transaction detail. Doesn't work so well. We actually want the bank statement. So it shows a prior balance, shows all the history in there for that month or however long that statement is good for, and then your current balance. And then it continues on to the following month or prior month. So that shows that continuity. And that's really important when documenting funds to close. If you have any questions on that, let us know at 801-562-9100. Thanks again, Clark Harvey, the BBQ mortgage guy. And please like and subscribe to our YouTube channels, our Spotify. It's on iTunes, all the things. And we look forward to serving you. Have a great day.
You've been listening to Clark Harvey, the BBQ mortgage guy. Clark is a licensed mortgage loan originator, NMLS number 240452, and his company, First Rate Mortgage, NMLS number 1172332. You can get a hold of Clark at area code 801-562-9100 or at his website at www.thebbqmortgageguy.com.